Well, let's get started then.
Hey guys, Zach here, shop manager at Fort Worth Auto Detail. Today we finished this 2024 Mustang. It's absolutely gorgeous, rapid red. We just did a little exterior on it, just kind of cleaned it up. It's brand new, less than 400 miles. But appreciate you following us around and getting a little POV of how we do things around here. And make sure to like and subscribe.
All right, so we have a 2024 Mustang GT in. It's just getting a little exterior today. So when we're detailing, we always like to start with the wheels first because they are usually the dirtiest part of the car. Don't want any contaminants getting on after we've washed the whole car. So it just kind of makes sense to start out with the wheels first and then we move on to the body. We'll give it a good foam bath and make sure that we hand wash it, decon with iron, any bugs, and then we'll clay it as well. What are you gonna do? The wheel well?
Yeah.
It's carpet.
No, well, I will go back.
Oh, okay.
I need more water.
I'm getting too old to move up and down like this. These wheels especially, even with this being a very new car, you got to protect these wheels for the future. These big old Brembos like to splash a lot of brake dust onto these wheels, and especially with them being chrome, you're gonna be able to see it a lot easier. Gucci gang. Yeah, those look so good clean. Yeah, they look really good when they're clean. Like, way better.
No, yeah, that looks fantastic.
Kobe. Oh. That would have been so sick if I made that. Thanks, Derek. I feel you're special. So right now, just kind of getting our wet, getting any dust off because we're going to do a contact wash. Don't want to scratch it, especially with it being basically brand new. Really important to always try to get any contaminants off before you start doing any contact with wash it and clay too, especially because you can easily scratch everything. And we don't want that. Especially with this really pretty paint. So once we wash everything off here, we will do a little decon. We'll spray some bug and tar on the front and windshield, usually where all the bugs get hit. And then we're gonna spray iron everywhere. Because even with this being a brand new car, it's really easy to get any contaminants all over it. Might be hard to see with it being red, but trust me, it is definitely on there. Baldo, you wanna do that foam thing again?
Sure.
You want to do it? Because I won't have enough control over that. The most unfortunate thing happened, our foam cannon broke today. So now we're having to jerry rig it. Yeah, you're good. Oh, okay. Oh, I forgot to start the timer for this. So I can show you how it's done. So we'll have we have all the scheduled stuff today, and just to kind of keep track of us for pacing and letting know the customer that their car is done. You can go down here and it'll show job timer. And then we started it at like 1:30. So you can save the start time and then it keeps the timer going. And then whenever we're done, it'll stop and then it'll say the car is complete. Pretty cool. The most satisfying part, easily, is foaming a car. Especially with our new foam. It's really thick, looks like shaving cream. So right now we're gonna contact wash it, and then we're gonna clay it. Oh! 65. Oh, yeah, it is rough. Even a brand new car, less than 400 miles on this thing, and it's still rough. It's insane. It's insane, man. Just shows, I mean, anything happens in transport, and especially when it sits on the lot for however long, anything is possible. But that's why we clay, so. Probably. I would assume it's something like that. I wouldn't doubt it, to be honest. It is Texas. Anything's possible. Look at those two hooligans over there. Yeah, I just caught y'all in 4K. Or 1080p or whatever this thing records in. Dog, we put it up front just for you.
I usually wait and get in the front. Whoa, 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 whoa.
One thing with clay too, I know it's a very new vehicle, and obviously we were just talking about it. It has sap on it, but with it being extremely new, and we're going to put our wax on here. When that decontaminants, like the sap and stuff that you can't see but you can feel, when it's on there and you don't clay it, and it has a harder time bonding. So then it might not last as long. So this is extremely important. Yeah. Only one basket today. Kobe. Yeah, it's just not my day today. There's a hot one today. That is wet. Huh? Yeah, you're good. I checked. Alright, I think we should be good. Chris is gonna blow it off, and then me and Baller are gonna dry this thing off. Ain't that right, Baller? Tell you what, old son, that's a pretty old car. Alright, I'm gonna get started on the wheels here. We're just gonna wax them and then put our tire shine on. Oh gosh. We're using the Renew. This is our coating provider, System X, and they have a spray ceramic coating. It works pretty good, cannot lie. We'll just we'll spray the wheel down. Just give it a nice even-ish spray. And then come back over it with a towel. And then they're good. Once they're all dried off and wiped off, then they are technically protected for up to 9 months. Now again, I mean, conditions change and rain, especially living in Texas, it's hotter than anything out here. So sometimes they last long, sometimes they don't. It really just depends on what the owner does and how much they take care of their vehicle in that 9 months, supposed 9 months. But works really good. Paulo, you want to hit windows? What are you doing?
This way, I guess. I'll do
Windows? Wendy's? We'll just get some tire shine on there. Do I like Wendy's? Yes, I like Wendy's. Go ahead and make that joke, I dare you.
I'm pretty good at that.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Nah, 20 spicy nuggets hits different. Personally, I think tire shine is the key to having a clean car. It makes everything look clean. Did you finally make one?
Huh?
Did you finally make one?
Oh, Albania is playing Italy, bro. Fuck it.
You got a bet on it? Over under?
I think it's on YouTube Live too, or whatever.
Oops. Having clean tires, clean and shiny tires is the best part about cleaning a car.
Oh, they scored! Let's go!
Yeah, Albania's up 1-0.
I call them. I told them they're not too good. I'm Maldini, I'm Gattuso, and my father and my cigar. I am from Albania, hence the reason for the excitement. But I am a big fan of the Euros. Son of a bitch.
And Italy scored. Yeah, you shouldn't have said anything, Paulo.
Baby, that's why we all know it's Italian restaurant. Let's go. It's a win-win. Cars in Italy.
I'm voting for Italy. Off the top here, and then we're all done. Paulo and Chris are finishing waxing the body, and Paulo's doing the windows. So after that, I mean, this thing's done. Wow, she's all done. I'm trying to get the right, yeah, there we go. Just do a little walk around of it. I think it turns out really good. Like I said, this color is super pretty. Just stunning looking color here. Again, this color's called Rapid Red. Really growing on me recently. But, yeah. Wheels, good. Paint is protected. Windows cleaned. She's looking good. Slay.